If you've ever tried to join a video call or record audio online, only to find your microphone isn't working in Google Chrome, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable your microphone in Google Chrome step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to turn your mic on, but also understand why these settings matter, so you can use features like voice search, video meetings, and recording tools without any hiccups. All right, let's dive in. First, let's start by launching your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're opening Chrome, not another browser like Firefox or Edge, since every browser handles mic permissions in its own way. If you've already got Chrome open, you're one step ahead. Next, look in the top right corner for the 3 vertical dots. It's a small icon, but it's the gateway to all Chrome's settings. Click on those dots and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new tab. Sometimes these options can look overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each section. Once you're in Settings, look along the left side and find where it says Privacy and Security. Click that. This is where Chrome keeps all your controls around data, permissions, and what sites can access. Moving into here is important because your microphone, webcam, location, and other things that sites might need are all managed in the privacy settings. From there, we're looking for site settings. You might have to scroll a tiny bit to find it, so take a moment. Click Site Settings and you'll see a list of different permissions that websites can request. This section is like the front desk. If you want sites to use features like your camera or microphone, you grant permission here. Scroll down until you see the microphone section. It should be in the group with camera and other hardware permissions. Go ahead and click on Microphone. Now, here comes the crucial part. You'll see options that say, Sites can ask to use your microphone, or don't allow sites to use your microphone. If you want to enable your mic, make sure Sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. This means anytime a site needs to use your mic, for example, during a Google Meet call or when recording a voice message, Chrome will ask you first. You stay in control, but won't miss out on features. Alternatively, if you have privacy concerns or simply don't want any sites using your microphone, you can switch to Don't allow sites to use your microphone. Just keep in mind, features that rely on a mic, like video calls or voice search, simply won't work if you block access here. So, as a real-world example, if you join a Zoom meeting through Chrome and your settings don't allow mic access, people won't be able to hear you. You'd need to come back and re-enable it. Take a moment here to choose the option that's best for you. Once you've made your selection, that's it. Chrome will remember it for both new and existing sites. And if you ever run into trouble, maybe with a site failing to pick up your audio, you can return to these settings and double-check your permissions. Don't worry if it takes a minute to find everything the first time. Once you know where this setting lives, it's quick to adjust whenever you need. And that's all there is to it. Your microphone permissions are now set up in Chrome. If this tutorial helped, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in a comment if you ran into any issues or have other questions. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this, and thanks for watching.